Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install Ubuntu on your Windows 7 operating system with the help of VirtualBox. So downloading and installing VirtualBox is very easy. Just write VirtualBox on your Google search and it will open your VirtualBox site, and in the download you can download the latest version and install it. It's really very easy process, and after clicking some next it will be installed easily. Second, you need to install Ubuntu. At the time of making this video, Ubuntu 12.10 is the latest version of Ubuntu, and try to install 32-bit Ubuntu because 64-bit file will create some problem while installing into VirtualBox. So just download it. It's a simple process. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it once again. Once you download this Ubuntu ISO file and this VirtualBox you have installed, you will see an icon like that, Oracle VirtualBox. Just start it and it will look like this. What you need to do is go to new and type here Ubuntu, and it will recognize automatically that you want to type Linux and version Ubuntu. And if you want some other version, then you can select from here and also from here if you want, and click next. Here it will ask for the RAM you want to allocate to your system, and because my Windows is running on this RAM, so I will not change it. Nowadays a higher RAM is available, then you can allocate some more RAM to it. Then I will say next, and it's on default option checked, so click next. And here you want to check VDI VirtualBox disk image, click next, and this will tell you dynamic allocation, so click next once again. Here it will ask you how much memory you want to allocate for your Ubuntu operating system. Standard is 8 GB, but if you want to do some more work on Ubuntu, you can increase this memory as your memory requirements. Okay, and click next, and everything closed. So now you can see Ubuntu here. Now what you want to do is go to this settings and go to systems and uncheck this Dixit floppy option because you no more need this option here, and in this option go here go here, control IDE, and click here empty, and now click CD DVD here and click this circle button, and it will show some options. So click this CD DVD ROM medium, and it will open your file chooser, in which select your downloaded Ubuntu 12.10 ISO file. This is my Ubuntu ISO file which I have downloaded. So just select it and press open and press OK. Now click start, and it will start your system. In between you will see some warnings like this, so just click OK. These are not any threat to your system, so just click OK, and it will start Ubuntu. See, it's starting. So it will take some time to load. And in the next step you will see this install window appearing. So this, you can select your language for the Ubuntu installation and click install Ubuntu. And here it will tell you that the system required at least 4.8 GB drive space, and you must check drive download upgrade while installing, and install this third-party software and click next. It will take some time, and this here will show this computer currently has the detective operating system. So just check this option. This option is okay. Don't worry, it will not delete your already installed operating system. So just keep it checked, erase disk and install Ubuntu, and then press continue. And it will once again take some time. And choose your location. My location is Germany, so I will click continue. And here it will ask for the keyboard layout. If you have English keyboard, then this option is okay, English US keyboard. But for my notebook I have German keyboard, so I will choose from here German. So whichever keyboard you want to use, just click it. So I chose German keyboard and click continue. And here you can give your name. So I will write here my name and the password if you want to give. And it's okay. Require my password for login and press continue. And in the meanwhile you will see that the process below is running automatically regardless of this information. And when this process will be complete, your operating system will start. So I will wait for this process to complete. Now when your Ubuntu operating system is downloaded completely, then it will ask for restart your system now. So I will press restart now and it will restart. Slowly, because yes, it's starting once again. And it's taking some time to start. And then it will start in some time. Just a few seconds and it will start. Yes, it started. And just enter your password which you have set and press enter. And you have successfully installed your Ubuntu 12.10 operating system on VirtualBox on your Windows 7 operating system. But I just want to say that if you are using the low RAM, then your system will perform a little bit slow when you install this system. And you can see here so many options for the operating system, and maybe in some other videos I will show you how to use Ubuntu operating system. So stay tuned, and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.